Hey there, YouTube lovers! Woo! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, sorry, it's Djpamelamc. Hugs. Hugs, 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 hugs. Sorry, I'm just connecting my microphone. Okay, sorry. There we go. So today, you know what? A lot is happening all over the world. I'm feeling pretty down at the moment, but I'm doing my best to keep not, you know. I'm in Sydney, Australia, and we're in full-on hardcore lockdown. So that's a situation until like 2 weeks from now. So this needs to be done for everyone's safety. It's really, really bad and dangerous. Yeah, so I don't want to talk about it because I'm here to make you happy and smile. So let's not think about it. I hope you're all at home safe and keeping warm and eating something nice. I love you all. Just know that, you know. So today, my options are slim. But as you can see, I am doing Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Lots of Pizza Huts, okay? So I can't remember what I ordered. What is this one? I don't know, because I got like a bundle deal and I don't eat this food. So, these are like chicken tenders in honey soy sauce, like a honey marinated sauce. Okay, then I got obviously garlic bread, cheesy garlic bread. You know what? It's so cheesy. I need to taste it because it's different to mine. Okay. Oh. Okay, so they marked on my order. It's okay. It was meant to be a spaghetti bolognese. It's obviously I don't know what, some kind of pasta. Thank you, Pizza Hut, once again. Anyway, it's okay. It's food. And I'm in lockdown, so it's okay. They've given me, it was meant to be spaghetti bolognese. They obviously don't have that. It's a bolognese sauce. With another kind of pasta. You know, like a ragatouille or something. Not ragatouille, but, you know, the shells. Whatever. Rude of them. They should put on their thing not available because I want spaghetti, not this. But that's fine, you know. It's food and I'm grateful because at the moment things are crazy. Here I went to the supermarket and I couldn't get any food. So, yeah. And this one, okay, this one is a Meat Lovers stuffed crust. I know that. My first time ever having a Meat Lovers stuffed crust from Pizza Hut. How am I going to do this? Okay. Oh, I'll figure it out. Okay. And then it looks good, actually. And then this one is a vegetarian. Ooh. Pizza Hut stuffed crust vegetarian. All right. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this here just for now. It's like I don't have room. Let's have a look. I don't know. I'm doing my best. I bought sauce. They didn't give me any sauce. Standard. No sauce, no napkins. Wow. Okay. No comment. I did bring my own sauces from my pantry just in case. Yeah. And I did pay for the sauce. I ordered like 6 different types of sauces. I paid for it, and guess what? And it was meant to come with a soft drink too, and guess what? So thank you, driver, because I know you have it. And at the moment, I don't want to think about it because I'm here in Australia in a lockdown, and that's hard enough. Sorry. I have my aioli sauce. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I'm really hungry. I didn't eat all day. I was waiting for this. Yeah, it's okay. Even though it's not this spaghetti bolognese I ordered, the bolognese sauce is nice, okay? You know when you spend so much money, like, you deserve to be like delivered the right foods, you know? And for it to be tasting the right way. Just saying. All right, so I don't really eat this food much. It's a suggested mukbang, so here I go. People love this. It's the, what is it? I don't know. It's like a mixed meat lovers with a stuffed crust. Can you please enjoy for me? Because I know you Pizza Hut lovers will love it. You'll love it. I wish I had napkins or a serviette, but I don't. Normally I do, and I just, oh God. Okay. My hands are dirty. Sorry. Sorry, lovers, but yeah. One of the chicken things with honey and soy marinade. And they are boneless. Can you have some? They're boneless. Okay. Cheesy garlic bread roll. It's a garlic bread roll. Please have some. Oh. And then I'm going to do the vegetarian Pizza Hut stuffed crust pizza slice. Some for you, please. Please have some. I actually bought this for you all because this isn't food I eat. So, oh goodness. This is a suggested mukbang, and I hope my subscriber, I hope you love this and I hope you enjoy. And to everyone else too, I hope you really love this and I hope you're eating something yummy too. Let me try some of the stuffed crust. Can you see it? Can I say, like, the crust is delicious. Like, it's stuffed with cheese. I don't eat this kind of thing normally, so it's kind of like weird, but more of the pasta. Oh. The cheese bread. It's meant to be cheese garlic bread. Let's have a look. The cheese is lovely. I can't taste the garlic. So, okay, this is meant to be spaghetti bolognese, but obviously not. As you can see. Just gonna eat. Because to be honest, this tastes nicer than the pizza. Than any of it, to be honest. So I don't know this food, and I hope you Pizza Hut lovers are loving this because it's for you all. It's a bolognese sauce with some pasta. And I have also this whole vegetarian pizza. It won't go to waste. Yeah. With what's happening at the moment, obviously I can't have people in my home. But I can drop off this food to a friend's house and not go inside. You know what I mean? So yeah. So the bolognese sauce from Pizza Hut is delicious, and it's got pasta shells. I don't know the name of them. It's not something I normally would use in my cooking, but it is nice. And to be honest, I'm not a fan of junk food. So for me, would I order this again? And being honest, no. No. I'm super hungry and I haven't eaten all day. So this tastes delicious when you're hungry. Other than that, no, I would not order Pizza Hut again. It's not my thing. Though I have to say, a lot of my good friends, they love Pizza Hut. Like, they love junk food. Most people love junk food. I guess I'm one of the lucky ones. I don't like junk food. Yeah, it's not good for you and it makes you sick. But this bolognese sauce is nice. I will say that. So at the moment, you know, like with the lockdown, I can't leave my house. I can't go anywhere. I am a hermit girl. I am a hermit, a recluse. And I don't go anywhere generally unless I need to. So even though I'm someone, I love being at home and I know I'm going to cope. I will cope. I'll be fine, totally fine. Because this is how I am and I love it, not this. Excuse me. But the fact that I can't leave my home, that is a little bit hard. Excuse me. But it's okay because if I need anything, I can order. Oh, pardon me, sorry. I can order it online and have it delivered. So, you know, yeah. Anyway. So I do feel bad as I ordered all this food that is not, it's just not good for you. So I did this for you Pizza Hut lovers, okay? And it also, this one has a stuffed crust. What can I say? If you are going to get pizza from one of these places, don't do thin based, do the stuffed crust. Okay. So that's how it is right now, dear lovers. I'm at home in lockdown for until July 9th and possibly an extension from that here in Australia. Things are rough all over the world at the moment. Everything's, you know what I mean? So the main thing is to keep safe. To be honest, this food, I find it disgusting and a waste of money. Big time. But I have done this for subscribers that want to see me eat Pizza Hut. So I hope you enjoyed it, and just know I'm sorry and I love you all. It's just not my thing. Yeah, it's like, pardon me, but I did eat as much as I could. So just know that, pardon me. Now I have the hiccups again. You know, I'm thinking maybe you get the hiccups when you eat junk food. That's what I'm thinking. What do you think? Anyway, I'm here and I hope you all enjoyed this, enjoyed watching this. Please click like and leave a beautiful comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. And my subscribers, just know I love you and welcome back and be here. This is me eating something I don't normally eat once again, but it is a suggested mukbang and I wanted to do this for my gorgeous subscribers. So I hope you enjoy it and tell me what kind of Pizza Hut food you like. Mwah! Love you all. Keep safe, keep smiling, get ready for more.